31.8, basically warm air. Now I know this car AC not working. I'm going to show you easy method, and I'm going to show you how to use this machine. Zero. Both gauges zero. Basically, this car doesn't have a cool gas. I'm very cold. Yeah, see? Welcome to the channel. I'm Charlie from Sanu Motors. Today I got Honda Civic 2010 model. Basically AC not working, AC not blow cool air. I'm going to diagnose it and show you what's the problem and how am I going to sort out the problem. If you still not subscribed my channel, please do it now and press bell icon, then you can get a lot of useful video and tips like this. If you have any question, comment, suggestion, you know what to do. Comment below. I'll come back to you as soon as possible. I'm going to start the car and show you what's going on here. Now you can see engine running, temperature low, and I'm putting it towards to face and aircon on. I'm going to check with my thermometer. You can see temperature 31.6 Celsius. That means this aircon not blowing cool air at all, and I'm going to show you how outside temperature. See the outside temperature, it's 24.5. Because of the engine heat, it's blowing 31.8, basically warm air. Now I know this car AC not working, then I'm going to engine bay and check is AC compressor work. What we have to do, when I press the AC button on, now you can see the dashboard, AC on. When the AC on, need to kick inside engine bay compressor. We'll see what happened to the compressor. Now you can see underneath the engine compressor bottom of the pulley, AC on, but that compressor not kick. Basically somewhere not right, that's why compressor not turn up. I'm going to check how about the pressure at the low pressure line and high pressure line. This skinny pipe high pressure, this fat big pipe low pressure. What I'm going to do, I'm going to open this both cap and make sure refrigerant inside properly. I'm going to show you easy method, and I'm going to show you how to use in this machine and check the pressure. When you work with the AC line, better to use safety glass and better to use gloves. This refrigerant can burn your skin, be careful. I'm going to use my small flat screwdriver and going to press in valve and have a look how about the pressure in these two lines. When you do it, don't going to put your face there. Take your face out and press inside valve. See? Very low pressure. And this side, I'm going to check. No pressure at all. That's why could be the problem, AC not working. High pressure line, you have to pull this cap and you can install. Low pressure also same thing. Right. After that, I'm going to open my gauge and check with the dials how about the pressure. I know already no pressure there, however I'm going to check with the this gauges. See, It's 0, 0. Both gauges 0. Basically, this car doesn't have a gas. I'm going to do the vacuum test. I'm going to do 20-minute vacuum test. Press OK. Now I don't want to do anything. Machine will do the job. I have to follow instructions here. After 20-minute vacuum test fail, you can see error system leak. That means somewhere leak in this car. Then I'm going to show you how to diagnostic and find out where it's leak from. What I have to do, I'm going to inject, this is oil and UV dye. Then I'm going to inject that dye and run in the system and check with special torch for the dye leak. Then I'm going to use that torch and check where's the leak coming from. After inject UV dye, I found tiny small leak around this area. You can see dye mark here. Basically tiny leak, not major. All other places all good. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to refill the gas and I'm going to inject this stop leaking liquid. I'm going to show you step by step how to regas the system and how to inject this stop leaking. First, what we have to do, we need to remove this both caps, connect high pressure line to high pressure and low pressure to low pressure, and open the valves. I'm going to select automatic system. After that, I'm going to select the vehicle. Press OK. This is Civic 8 model. I'm going to press OK. I'm going to select 1.4 DSI. It's holding gas 465 and the oil 13 with UV dye. I'm going to press OK and open the valves. Then press OK, and this one holding 465, but I'm going to reduce that one. This can hold 40 mil. Because of that, I'm going to reduce this one 440. Yeah, then press OK. Now 440, then bit space for this chemical. Then after that, I'm going to start automatic starting system and press OK. Then no gas. Then they will top up the gas first and they will start the whole procedure. You can see now all end circle finish. I'm going to off the gauge. Then I'm going to leave it everything as it is. I'm going to start the car and aircon on. Now you can see the oil gauge coming to the correct level. You can see the bottom pulley spinning. Switch off the AC. Now you see it's AC off. Now it's on again, spinning. Off again. It's off. On again. See, it's spinning nicely. That means AC compressor work fine. Switch off the car. After that, I'm going to release this both valves. leave it as it is, and all refrigerant inside this hose, I had to recover this hose because this AC gas not good for the environment. Because of that, I'm going to take out all gas inside this tube. What we have to do, go to the menu and recover. You can see recover. Then I'm going to open this 2 gauge and press OK. Okay, now whatever inside this hose, it will take into the machine. When you do this step, make sure your all gauges leave it on. If it press some reason, your all gas escape from inside the car. Because of that, make sure this knob all open, not engage with the valve. When you turn it clockwise, it's pierce the valve. Then turn fully anti-clockwise. That means it's not connect inside the gas, only this area. After this finish, I'm going to show you how we're going to inject this stop leak liquid. Now you can see recovery ended. Whatever left in the hose, it's already into the tank. Now I'm going to close this one, escape from this system. Right, it's coming to the main screen. Then after that, I'm going to remove these 2 cufflinks. Make sure use your safety glass, and when you're going to do it, don't go into inside the port here. Stay away from these connectors and remove it. What we need to do, you know this one, when you turn clockwise, this pin come out and it will punch the top. Then after that, need to connect to the low side, not the high side. But start the car first and aircon on fully high side. Then after that, I'm going to connect this one here, and after that, this cap need to lift up and connect here. Right, it's in. Then after that, I'm going to pierce the bottle. When it's pierced, you feel to your hand. Then after that, once it's pierced, you need to fully open, and this bottle need to shake up, down, like this. When you do this one, you feel to your hand, it's a bit hot. This container going to be a bit warm. You feel into your hand. Right, now I'm ready to remove the connector. Glass on. Take your face out, lift up and remove. Right, that's it. Then after that, make sure close this cap. I feel at the moment very cool inside. However, I'm going to check with my thermometer. It's 24.5. See, already dropped down. Once I give more gas, more acceleration, it's going more down. See, nice and cool. Very cold. Yeah, see, it's going to 2.1 Celsius. Yeah, hopefully that stop leak thing doing the job. If it not, I'll make another video. But if you have a leaking like this, you know what to do now. Please subscribe my channel and follow our videos. You can get lot of useful tips and videos like this. Thank you. See you in the next video.